All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. Hey, let's revisit this project right here as we walk up on this. You can see what we did here, an older barn. We're putting new metal on this. You can see this as I walk up on this, as I go over there. You can see what we're doing is we're rebuilding some of the slider doors. That one's gonna have to probably get rebuilt right there. See that one right there? You can see what we're doing, taking an old barn, dilapidated barn, and you can see what we're doing. We're putting new metal on it, make it look new. So pretty, instead of tearing down a barn that has functional use, we're just cleaning it up, make it look a little bit sharper. But yeah, we'll take down that slider right there. But you can see what we've done here. We put up soffit. If you look up there, because a lot of these barns have a lot of value, but you see how we put that soffit up there, new soffit. We took down the old wood, rotten siding, wood siding, and we put that up. And you can see what's going on there. We got this side done. And let's go over here on the gable side. You can see what we did on this slider door right here. You can see how we rebuilt this slider door. That's the remnants of the older one right there. All right, so we took that one down, we rebuilt that one. And I'll show you here in a minute here. We made it out of 2x4s, and then we pressed it together. And then we put this up. So a pretty good looking slider right there. You got an older barn, taking down some of the, you know, when I say, you know, the rotten, you know, wood soffit right up there, putting, you know, new soffit fascia up there, and also taking your slider doors and redoing them, and then you get like a new barn. I mean, once this thing is done, it's gonna look white. I mean, a bright white, and you won't even know this is an older barn. Well, you'll know just by the shape of it, but you can see here the track that we got set up right there. You can see how we set that track up to run here. So the guys are still getting after it. You can see what they did right here. We pressed this together. You can see that. Here's one that we pressed together, and then we'll put that one up as well. So still in the early stages here, but it's a fairly big building here, as you can see here, or a big barn. So an older post frame, older post, full barn, but we're getting after it bit by bit, and you can see, but that's what it's going to look like right there. So step by step. So keep following along the journey. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and continue to follow the journey. Attica Lumber.